Hey folks, good morning. Michael Koski here with Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful new micro light by Flagstaff. This is the 21FBRS, brand new 2025 model. I'll do a nice little walk around on the outside of this coach. Then we'll go inside and see what you think. At any point, if you have any questions, call, text 218-740-4968. I am here to help you. So starting up front, beautiful fiberglass front cap, automotive style glass shield, dual 30-pound LP tanks, power tongue jack, battery tray, beautiful fiberglass exterior finish, nice pass-through storage. Got LED lighting underneath here, magnets for your backups for your jacks. You can see the aluminum structure. Real nice, and solid, lightweight, built very, very well. LP quick connect down below here. This is the lip for your griddle or your table. Television, big power awning with LED lighting, outdoor speakers, frameless windows, MORryde step above solid step, nice big heavy duty grab handle, step back here, backup camera ready, roof access ladder on board, spare tire, receiver hitch on board, ready to go. That's for your e-bikes, outdoor shower. Just a really nice looking couples coach. TV hookups, water hookups, 30 amp service, dump gate, nice little storage compartment inside the slide. And over here, your water heater and your other side to the pass-through storage. Docking light switch, which is a nice bright LED up in front here, right above the LP. All right, guys, let's step inside. Look at some other amazing features here. So right when you walk in the door, you have a nice compartment here. These shelves can be removed, so this can be additional wardrobes with hangers built right in. Ambidextrous fridge freezer. Owner's manual for this unit. This unit's going to come with an 1800 watt inverter with inverted outlets, a 200 watt roof mounted solar panel, 15 BTU ducted AC, porcelain toilet, residential step-in shower, ceiling fan, skylight, medicine cabinet, separate sink, great storage in the bathroom. And like I was saying, guys, this is the perfect couples coach. Look at this floor plan. Big sofa with adjustable table instead of lap trays. Queen bed. Windows on both sides. Storage down below. Huge storage above the bed, on each side of the bed. Outlets. USB port. Get that cross breeze even though you have fully ducted AC. Smart TV. Great counter space. Lightweight aluminum sink inserts. 3-burner cooktop. Nice oven. Hood vent, microwave. That's all Magic Chef. Great storage. Great spot for the utensils. You got the added leaf, like I said. But just a really, really, really nice couples coach. Lightweight, easy to tow. It's only 4,500 pounds. It's only 22 feet long. It's built like Fort Knox. So guys, if you have any questions about this beautiful Flagstaff, please give me a call. Michael Koski with Bullion RV, the brand new 2025 21FBRS, 218-740-4968. As always, thank you so much for your time. Have a great day, and let me know how I can help you go camping.